Morning students, now I will take it 10th standard revision, social revision. First we will see some choose the correct answers. Choose the correct answer. I will read it. Choose the correct answer. Some choose the correct answer. I will read it. See, with whom the following was the Lateran treaty signed by Italy? With whom of the following was the Lateran treaty signed by Italy? Germany, Russia, Pope, and Spain. Which one is the correct answer? Pope is the correct answer. Where was the third section of the Indian National Congress held? The many four choose given: Marina, Mylapore, Fort St. George, Thousand Lights. Which one is the correct one? Thousand Lights. Third one, who is the first Indian judge of the Madras High Court? Who was the first Indian judge of the Madras High Court? Muthuswamy, P.S. Sivaswamy, B.S. Srinivasa Sastry, G.A. Nadesan. Which one is the correct answer? T. Muthuswamy. Next one. India's first organized trade union, the Madras Labour Union, was formed in which year it was formed? Some years and are given: 1918, 1917, 1916, 1914. Which one is the correct answer? 1918. Then the next one, pick out the old one out. Carder, Bogger, Annual soil, black soil. Which one is the old one? Black soil. The line joining the places of equal rainfall. The line joining the places of equal rainfall is isohet, isobar, isotherm, latitude. Which one is the correct one? Isohet. The first paper industry was started in Ranikant, Durgapur, Hooghly, Balikganj. Which one is the correct one? The first paper industry was started in Balikganj. The next one, the scientific study of different aspects of population is different aspect of population is photography, demography, geography, population density. Which one? Demography. Then one more. The latitude extent of Tamil Nadu is 80° 5 inches north to 13° 35 inches north. Then 88° 5 inches south to 13° 35 inches south, 8° 0 north to 13° 5 inches north, 8° 0 south to 13° 005 inches south. Which one is the correct one? The latitudinal extent of Tamil Nadu is which one? 8° 5 inches north to 13° 35 inches north. Then we will see some fill in the blanks. Fill in the blank. Listen, Dash was the headquarters of the Council of Europe. Dash was the headquarters of Council of Europe. Dash was the, take down on the paper or note, write it important, fill in the blank. Dash was the headquarters of Council of Europe. Which one is the headquarters of Council of Europe? Strasbourg. ST Strasbourg. Strasbourg. Which one is the headquarters of the Council of Europe? Next one, dash soil is suitable for the cultivation of tea and coffee plants. Which soil is suitable for the cultivation of tea and coffee? Which soil? Dash soil is suitable for coffee and tea. Which soil is suitable for the cultivation of coffee and tea? Which soil? Laterite soil. Laterite soil. Third one. Dash is the first woman governor of Tamil Nadu. Dash is the first woman governor of Tamil Nadu. Dash is the first woman governor of Tamil Nadu. Who is the first woman governor of Tamil Nadu? M. Fatima Bibi. Fatima Bibi. Is the first woman governor of Tamil Nadu. Next one, the term globalization is invented by the term globalization was invented by who? Do you know? Invented by Professor Theodore Levitt. Professor Theodore Levitt. 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 The term globalization was invented by Professor Theodore Levitt. The next one. Dash is the highest peak in South India. IMD. Dash is the highest peak. Highest peak in South India. Which one is the highest peak in South India? IMD. IMD is the highest peak in South India. Listen once again. Strasbourg was the headquarters of Council of Europe. Laterite soil is suitable for coffee and tea. Then Mrs. Fatima Bibi. M. Fatima Bibi is the first woman governor of Tamil Nadu. The term globalization was invented by Professor Theodore Levitt. IMD is the highest peak in South India. The next one, some timeline caption question. We will see some caption, important caption question. First one. Next one, match the following. Otherwise, see the match the following. Match. Match the following. Hindenburg. hidden turf, hidden turf, wave, B, rebellion, hobby, rebellion, the next one, Thani Tamil Iyakam, Thani Tamil Iyakam, Tamil Iyakam. The next one, Singi, Singman, Me, Maruthu Brothers, Singman. Singman, Me. Maruthu Brothers. Maruthu Brothers. Write the correct answer for that. Match the following. Hindenburg, which one is the correct answer? Germany. Germany is the correct answer. Germany. Hindenburg, Germany. Next one, Wabi Rebellion, Titumir. Titumir. Wabi Rebellion, Titumir. Thani Tamil Iyakam, Maraimalai Adigal. Maraimalai Adigal. Thani Tamil Iyakam, Maraimalai Adigal. Singman, South Korea. South Korea. Korea. Next one, Maruthu Brothers, Kalayar Kovil. Kalayar Kovil. Listen once again, very important maths the following. Hindenburg, Germany, Wabi Rebellion, Titumir, Thani Tamil Iyakam, Maraimalai Adigal, Singman, South Korea, Maruthu Brothers, Kalayar Kovil. The next one, match the following. Masagon dog. Next 5 I will give. Masagon dog. First part, second part. Masagon, Masagon dog. Black soil, black soil. Next one, Hirakut, Hirakut. The next one, Biosphere Reserve, Biosphere, Biosphere Reserve. Next one, Sanko, Sanko. Listen once again, Masagon dog, black soil, Hirakut, Biosphere Reserve and Sanko. The correct answer of this maths are following. See, listen all of you. Masagon dog. The correct answer is Mumbai. The correct answer is Mumbai. Second one, black coal, black coal, black coal. What's the other name for black coal? That is coal. Hirakud, that is built in the Mahanadi. Biosphere Reserve, Nanda Devi. Biosphere Reserve, Nanda Devi. The next one, Sanko, Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra. Listen, Nasagon Dock, that is in Mumbai, black coal, Hirakud, Mahanadi, Biosphere Reserve, Nanda Devi, Sanko, Brahmaputra. Then next we will see caption question. Some caption question. Very important caption question. First one. Notice this caption question. Ramanika Adigal. Caption question. Important caption question I will give. First one. Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose. The first question. How did Subhash Chandra Bose reach Japan? How did Subhash Chandra Bose reach Japan? In February 1943, Subhash Chandra Bose made his way to Japan on submarine. In February 1943, Subhash Chandra Bose made his way to Japan on submarine. Subhash Chandra Bose made his way to Japan on a submarine. Then next question. Who headed the women wing of Indian National Army? Who headed the wing of Indian National Army? Captain Lakshmi Sagar. Captain Lakshmi Sagar. First question. What's the first question? Then how did Subhash Chandra Bose reach Japan? The answer is in February 1943, Subhash Chandra Bose made his way to Japan on submarine. Second question. Who headed the women wing of Indian National Army? Captain Lakshmi Sagar. The third question. How did Subhash Chandra Bose recognize the INA? How did Subhash Chandra Bose recognize the INA? The answer is Bose reorganized into 3 brigades: Gandhi Brigade, Nehru Brigade and Women Brigade, named after Rani of Jhansi. That is 3 brigades name only you have to write it. That much enough for this question answer. Gandhi Brigade. First one, Gandhi Brigade, Nehru Brigade and Women Brigade. Women Brigade. Then next question. Name the slogan provided by Subhash Chandra Bose. Name the slogan provided by Subhash Chandra Bose. Which slogan? Delhi Chalo. Subhash Chandra Bose gave the slogan. Subhash Chandra Bose gave the slogan. Gave the slogan Delhi Chalo. Delhi Chalo. This one very important caption question. Study thoroughly. First one, in February 1943, Subhash Chandra Bose made his way to Japan on submarine. Second, Captain Lakshmi Shaga. Then Gandhi Brigade, Nehru Brigade and Women Brigade. Subhash Chandra Bose gave the word Delhi Chalo. Next, one important caption question. Vellore Revolt. Vellore Revolt. Second one, Vellore Revolt. First question. The first question is in Vellore Revolt. Vellore Revolt. When did Vellore Revolt break out? When did Vellore Revolt break out? Which year? When the Vellore Revolt was break out in 10th July 1806. First question answer 10th July. 10th July 1806. Vellore Revolt was break out in 10th July 1806. Who introduced new military regulation? Second question. Who introduced the new military regulation? Commander-in-Chief Sir John Cradock. Commander-in-Chief Sir John Cradock. Third question. Who was the first victim of the revolt? Colonel Fancourt, who commanded the Gracian, was the first victim. The name only na Colonel Fancourt. Fancourt. Name only na. Then fourth question. Who was proclaimed by the rebels as their new rules? Fetch Haider. Fetch Haider. Fourth one answer. Fetch Haider. F-A-T-C-H. Fetch Haider was proclaimed by the rebels as their new rules. Listen once again, all of you. Then very important caption question. Vellore Revolt. When did Vellore Revolt break out? 10th July 1806. Then who introduced the new military regulation? Sir John Cradock. Third question. Who was the first victim of the revolt? Colonel Fancourt. Who was proclaimed by the rebels as their new rules? Then Fetch Haider. The next one, some 2 marks, important 2 mark question I will write on the board. You have to study in the home thoroughly. Very, very important 2 mark questions. Small questions. Often asked in the half-ready portal in the asked these questions. Write down this question. What was Marshall Plan? First question, history. What was? First one in history for what was Marshall Plan? Then second question, very, very important question. Study thoroughly these questions. Question answers. Define international trade. Define geography. Define international trade. International trade. Then what is money bill? Third question, what is money bill? What is money bill? What is per capita income? What is per capita income? Per capita income. Then define tax. Define tax. Then sixth question. Name the neighboring countries of India. Name the neighboring countries. Neighboring countries of India. Then what do you know about renewable resources? What do you know about renewable resources? Renewable resources.